Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from BodyCamZero. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. What starts as a routine response to reports of a person going door to door in a residential neighborhood quickly turns into something much more serious. When officers make contact with a political candidate and attempt to address an alleged local ordinance issue, the encounter takes an unexpected turn as the situation shifts from a simple investigation to a physical confrontation that ends in an arrest. The breakdown starts now.
How can I help you?
Yeah, I saw a police officer come in on a previous call I had made about it. Came in, but I haven't seen him since, and the individual's still walking the streets.
People were calling, multiple people called about soliciting in the neighborhood.
I was just canvassing.
Yeah, you can't do that in Fishers without a permit. Do you have your ID on you?
At this stage, the officer is working to gather information and determine whether the complaints match what is actually happening. Initial contact like this often sets the tone for the entire encounter, giving officers an opportunity to assess the situation before deciding how to move forward.
I was canvassing, so...
How is that different from soliciting?
I was told I could in here.
By who?
Diane Stewart. She's a HOA here. So.
It's not a HOA rule, it's a city ordinance. Do you have your ID on you?
Yeah, but I don't need to go in here.
Okay, well you're detained right now.
As the officer explains that the encounter is now a detention, the nature of the interaction begins to change. From this point forward, officers are focused not only on gathering information, but also on maintaining control of the scene.
So I just need your ID so we can get this area. No, where are you going? Stop. Stop. Dispatch under the key. Start another car. Get out of the car. Step out. Step out. Step out.
Sir,
don't put your hands in your pants. Relax.
I can't do anything right now, man.
Relax. Step out.
Please stop. Okay, all right.
Once officers decide to remove someone from a vehicle, their focus is usually on gaining control and keeping the encounter organized. Cooperation becomes especially important here because resistance can quickly create additional challenges for everyone involved.
Oh, man. Cool.
Yeah, come on, 58. Step out. Step out.
I gotta get going, man.
No, stop. Put your hands behind your back.
What did I do?
Put your hands behind your back. You're being detained. Dude, I'm about to...
I'm not doing anything, man.
The difficulty officers are having securing the handcuffs is increasing the complexity of the encounter. When officers can't quickly establish control, their attention often shifts away from communication and towards safely bringing the situation under control. The longer officers struggle to secure the handcuffs, the more attention has to be devoted to gaining control of the situation. Until that happens, the original reason for the encounter often becomes a secondary priority.
What am I can't go anywhere right now.
Sit up.
What? I'm not doing anything. I just gotta...
Stop!
Okay, you said get up.
Just stay seated.
My bad, man. My bad.
The encounter ultimately ended with officers taking the man into custody after a struggle to gain control. According to the case outcome, he was charged with possession of cocaine and resisting law enforcement. This encounter is a reminder that decisions made during even a brief police contact can quickly change the direction of the situation. What are your thoughts on how this encounter unfolded? Let us know in the comments below. That wraps up today's encounter. Before you go, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it if you found the breakdown interesting. What stood out to you the most during this encounter? Do you agree with how it was handled? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me, and I'll see you in the next one.